Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. Adding some special effects to text can give your video a more artistic look. In this episode, we'll be showing you how to create this rotating text effect using VideoProc Vlogger. If you're into this, keep watching. First, open VideoProc Vlogger and click on the Titles option in the top left corner. Choose a suitable text preset and drag it into the subtitle track. Here, let's create a solid black image. This can be done by deleting everything included in the text box. Then click the Snapshot button. Now we get a black image. After adding this image, click Edit Text. First, type in the text you want in the top left corner, and then select a font. Next, change the text color to white. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Click the Snapshot button again to capture the current frame. Add the image back into VideoProc Vlogger. Then go back to the title editor, this time changing the text color to black. Then check the text border, changing the color to white, and adjust the size to around 3. Click Apply again and return to the main interface. Take a snapshot of the current frame. Now import this image back into VideoProc Vlogger and delete the stuff on the subtitle track. Next, we need to create an image like this. First, click here to open the Settings interface. Then changing the background color to white and click down. Import the black image we created earlier into the overlay track and make it fit to the screen. Click on Effects in the top left corner. Then find a circular mask and add it to the effects track. Go to the Inspector panel on the right. Adjust the values of radius and gradient until you get the desired image. Click here to take a snapshot of the current frame. Import the image back into VideoProc Vlogger, changing the background color back to black. Delete all clips on the timeline. And create 7 overlay tracks. Then place the solid text you created earlier in the bottommost overlay track and make it fit to the screen. Now, use the Ripple Edit feature to adjust the duration to around 5 seconds. Click here to enter the motion editor and add a slowly zoom in effect to the text. Click Apply to return to the main interface, then find Fade and Move. Check Fade In and adjust the duration to about 1 second. Finally, changing the blend mode to Screen. Next, let's place the holotext image on the topmost overlay track at the first second, and make it fit to the screen. Then enter the motion editor. Place the keyframe at the far left of the timeline. Adjust the selection box to be slightly smaller than the screen. And find the rotation option below, changing the rotation angle to 30 degrees. Then place a second keyframe at the first second. Adjust the selection box to return to its original size. Changing the speed mode to smooth speed down number 2, and click Apply to return to the main interface. Just like before, check Fade In and adjust the duration to about 0.6 seconds. Then, changing the blending mode to screen. Finally, find the transform and adjust the scale ratio to 1.2. Let's continue by copying and pasting the hollow layer onto the overlay track below. Slightly drag it backwards on the timeline to create a delay effect. Then enter the motion editor, select the first keyframe. Adjust the rotation angle by adding 10 degrees. For example, if it was 30 degrees, changing it to 40 degrees. Return to the main interface, continue to find the scale, and add 0.2 to the previous value. For example, if it was 1.2, changing it to 1.4. Follow this process all the way. Last, place this image above the solid text track. Make it fit the screen, and changing the blending mode to darken. Finally, use the split all option to crop and remove any excess parts. The rotating text effect is now completed. Well, this is all for today's video. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!